Item number 2, consider approving contracts between Mesa County and 4 local gravel suppliers for 2026. Mesa County transportation gravel requirements in the amounts not to exceed $225,000 and authorize the chair to sign. Brian, you'll have to help me with your last name.
Public.
Okay, thank you, Road and Bridge Director.
Brian Public, Mesa County Division Director. This is for our annual bid for gravel for Mesa County roads. It covers 3 different things. It covers the material we buy for the chip seal program in-house. It also covers the chat material that we use with mixing raw salt for the winter road program. And then it also covers 3/4 base, 1.5 inches. We're doing spot treatments on our existing gravel roads where we have problem areas.
Okay. Any questions or comments on this item?
No questions, but welcome our new Road and Bridge Director, Brian.
Yeah, I didn't do the legwork on this, but
That's okay.
Today, so
Thrown to the fire. So thanks for taking the position, and look forward to working with you in the future. And I understand you guys are splitting these up to for better access.
yes,
One supplier.
depending on the project's at, we can have less travel time, saving labor and fuel costs and all that. So
which is much appreciated. So thank you, Brian.
Thanks, Brian. Welcome aboard. Yes, I really appreciate the way that Road and Bridge was very creative with this. We're going to have a lot of cost savings by not having to transport this heavy lift with gravel and driving it across the county is very innovative and smart. And I appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Brian. All right. Any questions or comments on this item from the general public? Okay, seeing none, I'll entertain a motion to approve the item as published.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye, motion carries 3-0.